Hi! In front of me is Realme 8i, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps on this device. Firstly, go into Settings and scroll down. Now click on App Management, go into App Cloner and pick one of those apps, like Twitter. Then click on the switcher next to Create App Clone and tap on Rename App Clone. Over here you can rename your second app however you wish to, and save your changes by tapping on this icon at the top right corner of this Rename App Clone pop-up. Then when I go back and try to access Twitter, I can see that my app was successfully cloned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!